What's up guys, and welcome to the PC build of May 2017. So you guys voted, and before I begin, just a little update. For now, I won't be taking any suggestions since it's hard to say what most of you want me to review, and well, no one has followed me on Twitter yet. So what I'm gonna do for now is search Lazada for some good deals and create a voting poll on a video with a title of plus voting poll, just like what you see right here. That's what I'm gonna do for now until maybe I reach 1,000 subscribers, and we'll see if a lot of people are gonna respond by then. So going back, you guys chose the $400 price, which is of course the perfect price for a budget PC, lalo na sa mga kababayan ko. So this PC will be perfect as your first PC, someone in your family just needs a decent and reliable PC, and of course for gaming in 1080p. Although you might not be able to max out the settings in some AAA titles, especially if you want to average 60 FPS in whatever you're playing. And let's begin. As always, all the prices of the parts will be from DynaQuest PC, but for people outside the Philippines, you can find some great deals on Newegg. Starting of course with the CPU, we have the Intel Pentium G4 560 for just $2,890, which is a popular processor right now for any budget rig. So you have a locked Kaby Lake processor that can do some fairly intensive CPU tasks, especially with hyper-threading. But don't expect to be doing multi-threaded applications as smoothly as an i5 like video editing. For the motherboard, we have the ASRock H110M-HDV for $3,150, which is a fairly basic motherboard. Supports Skylake and Kaby Lake processors, up to 32 gigs of DDR4 memory, 4 SATA 3 ports, which should be enough for all the storage you need. But before buying this, make sure that the BIOS is already updated to support Kaby Lake. But if you have a Skylake processor lying around, then you're good. For the graphics card, we have the Palit GTX 1050 StormX for $5,650. So by now, you should have an idea of how the 1050 performs, and in my opinion, the best budget graphics card right now in the market. So expect no problems when playing MOBA games in 1080p and medium to high settings at most in 1080p for AAA titles. For memory, we have a single 8GB stick of G.Skill Aegis DDR4 clock at 2400 MHz for $3,050. For storage, as always, we have the Western Digital Blue 1TB hard drive for $2,350. For the power supply, we have the Corsair VS550 80+ certified non-modular power supply for $2,250, which is a little overkill for a low power system like this, but extends the system's life nicely with a few upgrades in the future up to an i7 and a GTX 1080. And housing all this is the Tecware Infinity for $1,240, which is a really good looking case for not a lot of money. Although, just a reminder again, Tecware products are not available outside the Philippines, so if you can find a case for $25 to $30, then you're good. So all in all, rounding our total cost to $20,580 or $412 US. So that's gonna do it. I hope you guys enjoyed this. So I'll be putting 2 voting polls in this video right here. One for next month's build and another one for my next tech review, which is gonna be this gamepad or this chair. I said tech, but yeah. So I won't be buying anything from Lazada until next week. And bookmark and use my Lazada affiliate link when buying at Lazada as a way to support my channel. And if you don't mind donating at all, I'll also leave the link to my Patreon in the description down below. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.